Okay, today I'm going to be replacing this Yeti handle. It's broken with this nicer, newer one. You're going to need two things: a screwdriver with a blunt end, and then one to get the rivet out. So I'll start by getting the rivet out. So start by getting the rivet out. You're going to get the screwdriver and then just sort of put it in there and just pry it up like that. And you'll have a hard time pulling it out, so actually you'll need like a pliers or something to pull it out more. Just keep pulling on it, it looks like. So this will fall out eventually. What you want to do is take your replacement and make sure it's in the right way. So if it's like this, you want to have it up, out, so like this. And then push this pin back in ever so gingerly. Feed it back in. And make sure it feeds itself in. Now you're going to keep feeding this in. Now this is where your blunt end's going to come in, and then you just hit it. And there you go, you're done. Pretty simple. And now it's all fixed. Set it up. Now you can close it on both sides. And that's how you fix the Yeti.